Drop is one of the most popular cashback apps that promises to reward you for your everyday purchases. But does it really deliver? Or is it just another app that overpromises and underdelivers? Today, I'll be walking you through my experience with the Drop app, showing you how it works, how you can earn points, and whether it's actually worth your time. After signing up, you link your debit or credit cards to the app, which then automatically tracks purchases at participating retailers. The idea is simple. Spend as you normally would and earn points, which can be redeemed for gift cards. Drop supports a variety of retailers, including popular stores like Amazon, Walmart, and Starbucks. Earning points isn't just limited to shopping. You can also earn by taking surveys, playing games, or referring friends. But let's talk about the real value. The conversion rate can be a bit disappointing. 1,000 points equal just $1, and unless you're spending a lot, it takes time to accumulate enough for a worthwhile reward. The app does offer some limited time bonus deals and promotions, but they're not always easy to catch. One of the biggest issues I've encountered is that points don't always track properly. I've made purchases that were supposed to earn points, only to find them missing from my account. Drop's customer support can be slow, sometimes taking weeks to resolve issues, if they respond at all. This can be frustrating when you spent money expecting to be rewarded, not sure how to avoid draining your wallet on gifts. I used to face that problem too, until I discovered Givemeo, where you can get cashback on your purchases and keep surprising your loved ones without breaking the bank. Click the link in the description. Another downside is the limited redemption options. While the app offers gift cards for major retailers, you won't find direct cash payouts like you do with some competitors. If you prefer flexibility, Drop might not be the best choice. Also, points expire if you're inactive for too long. So if you're not a frequent shopper, you risk losing what you've earned. Despite these drawbacks, Drop can still be a decent option for passive cashback if you regularly shop at their partner stores. If you combine it with other cashback programs, like Rakuten or Honey, you might be able to maximize your earnings. However, if you're expecting to make a lot of money with Drop alone, you'll likely be disappointed. If you've used Drop, let me know your experience in the comments. Have you had issues with missing points? Is it worth using long-term? If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more honest reviews on cashback apps and money-saving tools.